Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hello, my name is Don Maher. I'm an owner of a 1969 RS Camaro COPO. It was raced most of its life. It has 10,300 miles on it. I bought it 4 years ago from Arizona Muscle Cars and decided to restore it back to the original condition. It was raced at that time as the name of Old Deadeye. I says it has the factory 427, 425 horsepower V8 engine in it. It's a COPO, and as people know, COPO stands for Corporate Order. It was a special order. This particular car was ordered with the RS package and a console and an automatic transmission, which is very rare. In its time, they only produced 58 RS COPO Camaros of its type.
How was it that you were so lucky?
I was very lucky. I was actually looking for a COPO at the time, and I was on the internet, and I found a COPO that didn't have the proper rear end in it, as this car does. It's called a BE 410 rear end, and I could not find it. So I was looking for a rear end to buy this COPO so I could make it all original, and all of a sudden this car came up because it was in the explanation of the car that was for sale, and I decided to take a look at it. I flew out to Phoenix, Arizona, purchased the car at the time, and I fell in love with it at that time because it was a rally sport. I love the rally sport front ends, and it's so rare to find that in the COPO mode. And it has tons and tons of history. It was bought originally by a construction company owner for his son to race in the stock class. And what he did is he raced it for 10 years, and at that time he went to the drag strip one time and his son was drinking. He decided it's done. He put it in the barn. It sat in the barn for over 30 years. Went back and forth until finally he decided to sell it. And at that time, I was lucky enough to come by it and buy it. I decided I was going to restore it myself. I wasn't going to pay anybody to have it restored. I was going to do the restoration. So I did the restoration, nut and bolt, bottom to top, as original, without any kind of modifications. Everything, including details that you don't see. I'm going to open the hood. I can't open it. Okay, it has the original 427, date correct, 425 horsepower, and as you see, all the hoses, everything is as factory with ridge hoses, the battery, everything is factory correct, including air pump, exhaust manifolds, everything, because I wanted the car exactly like it was when he picked it up. Right. And also what you notice on this car is it has rally wheels. Most COPOs have dish hubcaps. This one was ordered with the RS package, which included rally wheels, and these are the original rally wheels from the car. The interior is original too, and it's one of the very rare COPOs that you'll find with a white interior and an orange outside. It also has a rarity that it has a console with the automatic transmission. Only 60 COPOs were created with an automatic transmission. This is one of the few, besides the fact that it's an RS, which is only 58 of them. But it's all brought back to factory, including even as far as the fuses being color-coded and the carpet being over the seat rails, which you'll never find on the average restoration. You'll see that I have Old Deadeye on the back window and the rear. That used to be on the trunk and used to be on the door. So to pay homage to its history, I decided to put the original name on the rear glass and on the side glass, just to pay homage to its history, because that's what people know it by. Otherwise than that, it's completely restored from the bottom top, and it's factory correct, and I love it, and it's doing great. We brought it to 3 shows so far. We won Best of Show in the last one we went to, which I'm proud of, because the owners of the other cars, who had some beautiful cars themselves, tipped their hat and said, "You've done a great job," because again, I've done this car by myself, and I'm very proud of what I have here. Yes, I'd like to say a special shout out and thanks to Matt Avery, who wrote the book, COPO, the book. He done a lot of extensive history on my car, Old Deadeye, and I can't thank him enough for that. And I want to thank Dave Beam, who is a collector out of Colorado Springs. He's the one who I purchased the car from originally and had to push and trob him to sell it to me, but he did. And I would like to give him a special thanks, and thanks to everybody who helped me as far as parts, DNR custom parts over in Illinois. They provided me with all my parts, hard to get parts. The Dottie over there was unbelievably helpful. I appreciate that very much. And basically everybody, including my wife, who put up with me and for the 4 years it took me and to get this car where it's at right now, and everything that was that basically I had to do to get it in the area and the position that it is right now.
Hello, my name's Elizabeth. I am Don, actually the owner of this Camaro here. I did the graphics for this. This is actually the old photos of the car that we took. This is all the original. This is because it actually was used in the drag racing. We have updated photos too, which is not on here, but I designed everything on here. This is the original bill of sale. And also this is an article actually that's originally from the news in the newspaper from when they used to race the Camaro, 1969. So right now this is all the original paint, and if you look in the back, it even has the old Deadeye graphics for the car. So yeah, everything is all original, and I think that's all I got.
Please like, share, comment on our channel, and subscribe here.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars.
Please enjoy the next video.
And subscribe.
Oh.